until we just start building support above it. And again, we dip down into here. So what I am waiting for, we got our big candles, we've got our sideways trading. I think this is probably going to go higher, but what comes up must go down. We are going to see a low. For me, I'm probably going to wait. Probably going to wait until I see 1600 again. I am going to start looking for a really good long position buy, which would look something like what we just did. You know, that's a really good long buy position, which is where we were. So look over here, go back to this plunge. Things are stable in the 1300s, I'm going to say, but if you're going long and you know that this is a long-term upwards trend and you see low prices like this, that is a huge snag position. Buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here. Okay. So what we are waiting for is our downward movement, our trading sideways, and then our low dip. Oops, I don't want to move that. Actually, I do want to move all of these. They're all my alarms. I had these set. So I went to bed. This is the 1 hour chart. Went to bed around here. I remember these candles. I wanted to see a green candle before I went to bed because right now this was telling me downward trend, but it held very nice support line. And worst case scenario, I had all my alarms set to a maybe 3 to 5% profit zone. If this had decided to collapse, all these would have woken me up, and I would have stayed up for a little bit and either cut losses or doubled down, but luckily we got a good night's sleep. None of this woke us up, and now it's time to put alarms on the new zones we are going to be waiting for. Basically, all you do is wait and watch until you get these zones you were looking for. So first one, it's going to come down, test the 1640 support. So I want you to tell me when we dip down to there, and then I want you to tell me when we dip down 1580. Oh no, I have to go grab my charger really quick. This thing dies so fast when I get the oh no, you're about to run out of battery. Oh man. Okay, so once these alarms go off, I will be pretty active, watching, waiting, so it's okay to step away until those go off. That's Ethereum. Let's set our new Bitcoin ranges. Okay, there's a faster way to delete all these if I can find it. So many alarms. When you have, it's just me, but I really want to make sure I wake up when I'm going to bed and have a good amount on the market. So, Bitcoin, we are waiting for the plunge, trading sideways, and then the big wicks that are shooting down into the low range so we can get the best long position buy that we can. And I was looking for an example, but wow, this has been in the short position for wow. Without going into too much, just looking at my indicator for a two and a half weeks, this has been in a what my indicator would say is a downward trend, and we have managed to really make some good long positions in a downward trend, even though it did switch over here, so maybe I should not. But I was looking for an example of a strong wick going down. So I want you to tell me when we start coming into this support line, and then we're definitely going to go, let's see, and then down here, got all the way to 375. Okay, so we have taken our profit. We have looked at where we think the plunge and sideways trading is going to at least start. I don't know if it's going to stay there. It could very easily plunge down to here, start trading support. It doesn't matter. We're waiting for the plunge and the trade sideways. Once that happens, we will get back to the market. And my dumb ass just deleted all the alarms I just set. That's okay. Let's make new ones. 1610. Let's do one as close to 1610 as we can get. And then let's do one at 1580. And 2 will be fine.